In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new address to your Shopee account. Whether you're setting up a home delivery for your latest shopping spree or updating your account to reflect a recent move, this simple process can be completed in just a few easy steps. To begin, you'll want to start by navigating to Shopee's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Shopee URL to bring up the homepage. This is your gateway to thousands of products, all just a click away from arriving right at your doorstep. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log in. Look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login option. Enter your credentials and access your account. This will ensure you can go straight to your personal settings and make the necessary changes. After logging in, your next destination is your profile. To find this, head towards the icon or label that represents your account. This should be near where you logged in. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, filled with options to help tailor your shopping experience. In this menu, click on My Account. This area stores all your essential information, including your order history, payment methods, and of course, your address book. Now let's focus on the task at hand, adding a new address. Once you're within My Account, find the section labeled Addresses. Clicking on this will present you with any addresses you've previously saved. If you're moving to a new place or you want to add an alternative delivery address like an office or a parent's house, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Direct your attention to the option that allows you to add new address. Selecting this option will bring up a form where you'll need to input the specific details of your new address. This form is straightforward. Include crucial information like the recipient's name, the new street address, ideally with any unit or apartment numbers, the city, and the postal code. It may also ask for a contact phone number, which helps ensure any delivery issues can be swiftly resolved. Make sure to review the details you've entered. Once you've carefully added all your information, the final step is simply hitting the Save or Done button at the bottom of the screen. This action locks in your new address, adding it to your list of saved locations ready for delivery the next time you shop. And that's it. You've successfully added a new address to your Shopee account. With these steps complete, you can now enjoy the convenience of having your favorite items delivered right to your new address with ease. I hope this guide has been helpful and that it makes managing your Shopee account a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.